guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and today I'm going to talk about some core layout things in Sketch2React that are really important to understand. First of all, we have Bootstrap in the background, so I'm going to show you the Bootstrap grid, how it works. So for example, we have different breakpoints. So for example 720 pixels. Let's measure and I will show you this. That's one breakpoint, and then if we just stretch there, this is the next one, something like that, 960, and then if we stretch even larger like that, we should have 1140. So let's measure exactly there. So this is how things look inside containers. So for example, I can show you in Sketch. Here it is. So first we have a outer container, and then inside that you can have several containers called nesting. So the content, for example, is inside another container, and then you have columns. And for example, if we look at how it looks when things are outside containers, it looks like this. So this text is inside a container and this text is not. So you see, you want to have things in containers. Also, for example, if you want to have this image taking the whole view height, you need to use a container called container fluid. So for example, we would add this container fluid like that, and then we want to have view height, then VH100 like that. And then we will make sure that the background image is where it needs to be. Like that, we save and we check out in Sketch2React. So now you see the background image is taking up the whole view height. Another thing we can look at, for example, if I would want, about layout, if I would want the text wrapping to be like it is here in Sketch, I would need to put it inside a group fixed component. So if we, for example, change this one from column to group fixed and save and check it out, it should solve that thing. Exactly. So now the text is wrapped like it is here, and that is awesome. That's it. That was a very short one, but I really wanted to show you this. If you're totally new to this, and I know this is confusing, but it's actually really clever once you grasp the concepts. Have a great one. Cheers.